all, welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you how this AI chatbot is going to work, and then we're going to learn how to create this. So yes, you can see, let's say I'm going to type, hi, what's the duration of the digital marketing course? Because I want to inquire about this digital marketing course. So I'm just going to send this message, and within seconds and in real time, it has shared me the duration of this digital marketing course. Let's say I'm going to ask another option. Can I get EMI options for a AI course? So let's say I'm going to ask this question, and within seconds and in real time, it is going to also share me this. Yes, you can get EMI options. So yes, you can see, you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my business and answering so accurately, because I have uploaded this knowledge base using which it is answering me. You won't believe me. Let's say I'm just going to show you. Let's say I'm going to ask about this course. I'm just going to simply type the course name and I'm going to send this message. Once I send this message, you're going to see within seconds it is sharing me all the details, and you're going to see, let's say I'm going to ask about the price of this course, and let's say I'm going to ask price of this course. So I'm just going to ask this question and it is going to share me the price. As you can see in the knowledge base, we have mentioned the price is 29,999. You're going to see over here it is answering me the same. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot for your own edutech company, then watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, and if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your AI assistant. But if you are a new user, what you have to do is open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. After opening this, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, open AI assistant from this left end of the site. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, for that we have a detailed video in the description box below. You can check it out. This video is going to focus on how to create an AI assistant for an edutech company. So let's move on further. So as you can see that we have opened this window, and over here it is asking me for the instructions type. So over here you can give a custom prompt which will be just unique towards your business. So you can enter the instructions accordingly. But if you want, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can use any one of these two. And the instructions will be added automatically. You can keep it as same and move on further. But if you wish to edit this, you can definitely add or delete some point and make it for your own business too. I'm just going to keep the instructions as same and move on further. And after this instructions, it is asking me for the temperature. So this temperature is how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. And if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want focused answers. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use. So I'm going to select it as OpenAI. Now it is asking me for the model. So I'm just going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, open your OpenAI API key page. After you open this page, over here you're going to see the option of create new secret key. So click on this. It is going to ask you for the key name and select the project and click on this create secret key. Your key will be created. So copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and then click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, so let's move on further towards this assistant settings. Over here you can see multiple settings, header message, footer message, and so on. So one by one, let's know what is this. So first of all, this header and the footer message. So you can simply switch on this and you can add a header or a footer message. The maximum characters will be 60 over here. And then the next which we have is this stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say I want to add the keyword which is stop. So I'm just going to type stop. stop and then press enter to add this keyword. It is really important that you type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. And now whenever my user is going to type stop in this chat, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop and they are not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. It is a very useful feature. After this, we have this retry attempt, so where you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So the maximum range is 10 and the minimum is 1, so I'm going to keep it as 3 right over here. Now let's move on further. It is asking me for the fallback message, so over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this message. So if user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail if the WhatsApp API key is not responding correctly. So as you can see, we have completed this, which is instructions. Now let's move on this knowledge source. So as you can see in the starting of this video, I told you about this knowledge base using which the AI was answering so accurately. So how we can build this knowledge base? So first of all, open a blank Google document and enter the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document. Enter FAQs, company background and everything in that Google document. Also mention about the courses, prices, the placement assistant and everything. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to go towards this file, download this in TXT or PDF format. So both of these formats are supported. I'll just suggest you go for TXT and download this in TXT format, because for TXT it is preferred, because for PDF we don't have any limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT. I've downloaded this in TXT, so I'm just going to upload this. For that, go towards this choose a file, then go towards this downloads and upload your file. As you can see, I've successfully uploaded my knowledge base. Over here is the proof of successful uploading. After we come on this assistant interface, it is asking me to enter the heading name. So over here for the heading name, I'm going to enter the name of my company, which is Eduverse Learning. So I'm going to simply enter this name right over here in this heading name, and it will be edited over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish to edit this, you can edit it right from here. The next is this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it. Now we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enable, otherwise disable it right from here. The next is this footer text. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy, and if you add the footer link, the text is going to be converted into the link, otherwise it will remain as plain text. Now the next is this user first message. So you can enter the message that will be sent as the initial message from the user on WhatsApp. So I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next is this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can choose how this chatbot is going to look like. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and also the pictures. It totally depends upon you. As you can see that with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant for an Edutech firm. Now what we have to do is we have created this. Now in order to make this activated, we first have to switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. Now we have successfully created and activated this AI assistant. Now let's see how we can use it for a business. So for that, go on this embed it and you're going to get this script. So copy the script and paste it on your website, and whenever your user comes on your website, they're going to see this button of chat with us. When they click on this chat with us, they can click on this start chat and automatically this hey, which is the user's first message, will be sent from your user towards you, and the AI assistant is going to get activated and solve all their queries. So easy, right? Otherwise, what you can do is you can also assign this AI chatbot to your contacts existing in Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you have to open your inbox section, and after opening this section, let's say you want to assign this chatbot to this contact. So go towards this choose AI assistant and choose the AI assistant you want to assign, and then click on this save. And now whenever this user is going to message me, this chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign assign this chatbot to multiple contacts at once, you can go to this settings and then inbox settings. And then you have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and then assistant who's going to reply to all the contacts in this list. Not only this, if you wish to learn how to create contacts list inside Pabbly Chatflow, video tutorial dedicated towards same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Not only for contacts, a video tutorial has been attached in the description box for all the features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you wish to learn about any another feature in detail, check out that video in the description box below. So with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant for our Edutech company. Now go try this amazing AI assistant for your own Edutech company, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. So go and try this amazing AI assistant. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.